the type that make you hear a play up on the DVR. I swear, keep a couple things prescribed in case we CDR. Things I can show you in the day you think we envy all you do. Think we get this far. I took the octane out the whip and had to push the car.
Alright, it's time to install the Megan Racing Easy 2 coilovers. But yeah, so we're gonna head to AutoZone right now. Gonna pick up a couple things first and head over there. I'm also kind of hungry, so I might get some breakfast real quick. But your boy got the food there, a little bit of tools back there, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like in the backs. Let's see what it's looking like in the trunk. Ooh, yeah, bro. So we ate some food, got some food for the guys, and yeah, man, let's get this started. Let's hopefully, it's getting warm out too, so definitely want to get it done with the sun out. But yeah, man, about to be over there right now.
6.5 hours later.
My front coilovers are in, the rears are not, bro. We did not, but basically the rears don't come with top hats for the suspension, so I can't even put in the suspension without nothing being up top for it to screw on. So the fronts are done. I'm low-key like really low in the front. I'm about to show y'all right now. Let me show y'all what it looks like in the front right now. Oh my goodness. Compared to the back is just a monster truck, and then the front is literally like there's just that gap right there. But I can smell the burning, and it's because my fender liner is definitely touching. Yeah, it's definitely touching. I don't know where it's touching. Is it right here? I don't even know, bro. Yo, the clearance on this is insane, bro. No lip is, yo, no lip too. No lip. And look how freaking low I am, bro. That's insane. This is the preset height. So I don't even think I adjusted this. But it's super, super low there. Easy, yo. Oh my goodness, bro. Yo, that is crazy to me. Like, look how low that is. I'm amazed, but I'm also very scared. I'm not driving this car. I'm literally taking it to a shop, and I'm scared to even drive to the shop because, bro. And I'm gonna get back into this video when I do the rears and I adjust these, because I don't even think I'm gonna go this slow. There's no way I could go this slow and not have problems. I'm literally bound to have problems. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all tomorrow. Got the Uber waiting for me, but I'm about to Uber over to the shop right now. I see y'all there. Alright, here's how we looking. Raise the front up. Oh, that shit's, oh my goodness. Raise the front up, do the backs. Got a little bit of that gap there, but shit looking nice though. Camera. Shit is looking nice, boy. Got the alignment done. Coils in. You can see the negative camber too, so the front got some camber. You can see it there. Shit is looking nice though. Now we're gonna drive real nice and slow, cause I ain't gonna lie, I've never driven a, you know, a low car before. So cold outside right now, but yeah, man, I told y'all in the last video that the next thing that has to be done to this car is getting it lowered. You know, honestly, like, just seeing the car like at stock height on, especially on Q50s, they're just so high up, and I just wanted to lower this. I wanted to go springs at first, but because I have wheels as well, I was like, all right, let me just go coilovers. That way I save that hassle. Yeah, man, like, anything, it kind of feels pretty good though. It's not too bouncy or anything. I feel like a lot of people always say that. Definitely when you're a lot lower, you're going to feel bouncy. But for right now, I'm not bouncing or nothing. Obviously, I'm pretty high up, so. But yeah, man, let's get some pull action going. Just so y'all can hear how it sounds. Sounds the same. Feels the same. In terms of, like, the drive itself and the driving experience and, like, you know, is it bumpy or not? Honestly, because I think I'm so high up, I don't think I'm gonna feel much of a difference, honestly. And I mean, for the most part, it literally feels like the exact same of how it did before I even installed them. If you are looking into Megan Racing's, like, I don't know, I really just did my research and I looked at what the best options are for me. I know BC Racing would have probably been better, but I mean, at the end of the day, Megan Racing's, you know, God forbid anything goes wrong, but these feel good right now. And I mean, as long as I'm not going too low, because, you know, Q50s do have that front axle, you know, problem as well. So, but if anything, bro, like if you guys are looking into getting coilovers, I could send the links in the description on how to install them, or people that have had Megan Racing before. But you know, just definitely do your research before installing, and you know, knowing what height you want it at, and you know what you're trying to get out of for your car. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking into getting these type of coilovers, you know, I mean, so far I recommend. You know, maybe in the next video I might not, hopefully not, but I mean, yeah, man, as you can see, it's driving pretty well. It's not making any noises as well. Like, I know I was like hearing that metal like scraping noise, but I think it might have just been the fender liner and like having it too low in the front, and so I adjusted that, and right now I really don't hear it. If anything, I kind of hear it when I turn right and left, like all the way. Yeah, I don't think there's anything like rubbing my fender liner or, you know, just messing with my tires or anything, because these are pretty new tires as well. But I mean, hopefully not. And I'm definitely gonna get it readjusted anyways to fit, you know, the next wheels I have. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just show the outside for you guys right now and pretty much end the video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed, and here's what it looks like on the outside. All right, yeah, so this is the finished product. I actually did do the rears now, but the front is up. The front was higher. The front was lower before. Now I put it a little bit higher because I think it was scraping the fender liner too much. Now it's not making that noise. Not so much, honestly. It actually kind of is making that noise, but not really. Only when I turn. So I'm gonna look into that though. Hopefully that isn't much of a problem if this is like scraping the fender liner. I mean, I don't smell like any burnt rubber or anything. So if it's not like burning my rubber and like wearing my tire out faster, then I don't think it should be much of a problem. But as you can see, I did the rears as well. The rears are definitely a lot lower. I think this is 1.5. This should be 1.2, and the rear should be 1.5 inches lower. But you can see that looks pretty nice. From the side here, you could kind of see it has some negative camber. See that camber a little bit. I think the front has a little bit more camber. I got my realignment too, so the realignment is, I mean, the papers are there. But I mean, bro, like I put it next to my boy's Q50, and he doesn't have coilovers, and you can see how much more lower it is. And once I get new wheels, it's gonna look a lot better. But yeah, I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm kind of like scared, but it's looking pretty nice, bro. I can't lie, like I'm satisfied with how it came out. And once I put these new wheels on, I think it's gonna look a lot better. But yeah, man, as you can see here, it's looking pretty nice. Got the custom headlights, got the coilovers now. I'm satisfied, and the driving experience, it really isn't that bad. It's not as bad as people may say, because at the end of the day, I'm kind of still a monster truck too. So I mean, I shouldn't have much of a problem driving, but definitely just gotta watch out for potholes. It is pothole season here in New York too. I mean, I'm on a nice road right now, but definitely gotta watch out for potholes. And yeah, man, like that gap in the back though, you can't even, I mean, that shit it's tucking, bro. It's tucking. So I'm satisfied, honestly. And yeah, man, I wish I could have like did a more of a tutorial on how to do these. I could send links in the description below of like how to do coilovers, because at the end of the day, I kind of followed along, and like me and my friends kind of did it. But the rears, I don't think you could do by yourself if you don't have that spring compressor. You're gonna need a spring compressor to do the backs, because Megan Racings don't come with the top hat. So if you get BC coilovers, you're not gonna have to worry about that problem. But at the end of the day, bro, this car is looking real nice right now, and I'm enjoying it. I'm hopefully about to take it to Pennsylvania this weekend, and you know, get a little drive down there, see how it is. But it's looking pretty nice, and I'm really satisfied with how it came out. But definitely need to wash next. But I don't know, for next up, I mean, I told you guys I was gonna get the coilovers next, and I did. But for next up, I really don't know what I want. I have some ideas in mind, but I mean, just stay tuned. I want to start making more videos and stay on the content grind. But I mean, it's looking nice, bro. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. I mean, 2020 Q50 coilovers done. And yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.